What if I could actually see the world in infrared? Let's find out. Imagine having a third eye, one that can see the world in infrared, revealing heat signatures and temperature changes invisible to us today. This idea might sound like science fiction, but it's an intriguing thought experiment that helps us understand human perception. Developing a third eye would be a monumental task. Biologically speaking, our brains are already wired to process information from two eyes, and adding a third would require significant changes to our neural architecture. It would need to communicate with the brain's visual processing centers, which are optimized for data from two eyes. The energy consumption would also be a concern. Our eyes are already among the most energy-hungry organs in our body. The brain's processing power would need to be reallocated to handle the new influx of data. This could lead to trade-offs. Perhaps we'd become better at detecting subtle temperature changes, but less adept at other tasks. Evolution would likely favor individuals who could adapt to the new demands, but it's unclear how quickly such a trait would spread. Another challenge is the physical placement of the third eye. Where would it be located? Would it be on our forehead, or perhaps on the back of our head? Each location would influence how we perceive the world. The eye itself would need to be capable of detecting infrared radiation, requiring significant changes to its structure. This could involve the development of new types of photoreceptors or other specialized cells. Infrared vision would undoubtedly have its perks. Imagine navigating a dark room with ease, following heat signatures of objects and people. You could detect hidden dangers, like a fire or a warm-blooded intruder, long before they become visible. Hunters and outdoors people would likely be among the first to appreciate the benefits of infrared vision. They could track prey more effectively, detecting the heat signatures of animals even in dense foliage. However, there could also be drawbacks. Imagine walking down a busy street, bombarded by heat signatures of cars, buildings, and passers-by. It could be overwhelming, like trying to listen to too many conversations at once. In some professions, infrared vision could be a game changer. Search and rescue teams could locate people trapped in burning buildings or buried under debris. Imagine a scenario where a natural disaster strikes, and emergency responders need to locate survivors quickly. Infrared vision could dramatically alter the response time and effectiveness of rescue efforts. The ability to detect subtle changes in temperature could also open up new possibilities for communication. Imagine conveying complex information through subtle changes in body temperature, creating a new form of nonverbal communication. As we explore the possibilities of having an infrared eye, we're reminded of the fascinating blend of advantages and complexities. It's a thought-provoking idea that challenges our understanding of human perception and the natural world. So, if you had an infrared eye, how would it change your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're curious about more speculative science and futuristic ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content.